guys, it's me, Jude from the On Bam Fam. Today we're doing an exciting experiment that is a glowing volcano. All you guys need is a towel, vinegar, baking soda, 1 cup, half of a cup, black labeled, and some glow sticks. All you need is a cup, a bowl, and don't forget your safety goggles. First things first, guys, is your safety goggles. Then you have to pour baking soda in one big, huge cup. 1 cup of it, only 1. And then you cut off a top of a glow stick, and then you pour it in. It's hard. How do you do this? So hard.
Careful, you gotta be careful with it.
How do you do it? Let me do this.
So that is kind of cool though. So you just have to be very careful with it?
You have to be very careful with it. If it's really getting a mess, like really, ask a parent to help you.
Okay, let's try and see. Let's put the vinegar in now. And let's see how it reacts. So what is this, Jude?
Vinegar, baking soda.
1 cup.
1 cup of baking soda.
No, this is the
Vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar. So let's see our reaction. Whoa.
So it doesn't really go too far, and I don't know if it's because of...
Can we add a little more?
Well, look at that. I don't know if it didn't go too far because of the stuff. Let's try it again.
We're back, and this time you actually have to put the glow stick in the vinegar to make. We don't know. We're not sure. Let's try it.
Got it?
Here we go.
Whoa!
Nice. It's purple. We also have another glow stick, a repairment if it doesn't work.
And it's glowing.
It fell out. Some of it fell.
Awesome.
A little drop fell on the table.
Assistant, could you turn the light on, please?
That's cool.
How did you feel about that experiment?
That was nice. I didn't really expect that reaction. I was expecting like a real volcano.
Yeah, I think maybe the cup might be too tall.
Maybe too, yeah. Or maybe too short of an edge.
Or maybe we should use some more vinegar next time.
Sure.
Or maybe some more baking soda.
Baking soda. It wasn't really that kind of a fail, because it was bubbly, it was going to the top. It did fall to the bottom. And it was kind of glowing. That's how it was. The fail part was usually, I have no idea. I have no idea what the fail part is. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you see that little bell, tap it. If you see that little box, tap it. And then submit it. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.